Good morning traders, it's Chris here at thetradingmentors.com. Hope you are well. This is your early morning briefing for the 15th of November. It's 6:17 in the morning here in the UK. So I'm here to help you make even more money. This is the Gold on Steroids software. It's £300. If you want it, just let me know. Links below. And this was the signal sent out on a couple of days ago and hit first target, hit second target 1966, and then on to 1971. We've had the CPI data out yesterday. We've got the PPI data out at 1:30 GMT this afternoon. So members, get ready for that. It's going to be a fascinating session. So be ready at 1:30, please, because you don't want to miss those opportunities because they come pretty quickly and make a lot of money very quickly. This was yesterday's CPI data, breakout of 1950, and then it hit our target, banked 166 pips. So congratulations to you. Even if you're up one lot, that's $1,600. So don't ignore these signals. They are highly valuable. And the software tells you when to buy, and it also tells you when to sell. So look out for that. So this afternoon at 1:30, we're looking at for breakout trades to the upside or the downside. We don't mind. Congratulations if you are in the signal room. A lovely move here. A couple of points here. This is the Advanced Pro Plus charts. Comes with the Advanced Pro charts, and the Advanced Pro charts are £995, and the Advanced Pro Plus charts are separate. They come at £300 if you want them, with 3 months coaching and 3 months signals. And as we can see here, a lovely move on the US yen. We had a nice double top, which is great. We had negative divergence, which is great. We had the break of structure and the break of this trend line here and below the 21-day moving average. So a lovely move and a nice bank, 142 pips. Thank you very much. 3.59 risk to reward, 39 pips stop, 142 pip gain. Fantastic move. Congratulations, members. A great move on the pound USD, as you can see. It had a break of the trend line. We had no divergence, but that's okay. We don't mind that. It broke out this area here onto the order block and broke the long-term trend line as well. So once we get the breakout above here, that's a buy. And we are currently, what are we? 240 pips in profit. So if you're just one lot, that's $2,400. Onto the parabolic trends. If you don't understand parabolic trends, these come with the Advanced Pro charts, 995. And as we can see, the euro dollar has gone parabolic to the upside above the 50-day moving average, which is what we want to see. Everything goes green when we get change of character. Target 11202. And where are we? That's just 200 pips there, so that's $2,000 so far. The price we expect to reach in the next few weeks or next few days is 503 pips, and that's $5,000 if you're just trading one lot. Congratulations, members, if you are in the yens. The pound yen, the euro yen, the Swiss yen are all parabolic to the upside, have been for a few weeks, and we've been going long on this. So our target is 188.50. It's going to be hit in the next few hours. So a nice move here. So far, 388 pips or $3,800, heading for 188.50. Congratulations, members, on the euro yen parabolic trend to the upside. It's going to continue, so we will be adding to the position. I don't have a target on mine. I think this is going to 169 and could be fairly aggressive as well. But nonetheless, a signal was sent in the Forex signal room and banked 366 pips. If you are one lot, just one lot, that's $3,664. And we are expecting the price to come off of that in the next few hours, something like this. to 169. I'll be doing a full analysis this afternoon with the members. So the Swiss yen is moving up. We've got a strong Swiss franc and we've got a weak yen futures. I'll be doing a full analysis to explain all that this afternoon for members. And we are currently 160 pips, $1,600. Are you adding these up? I hope you are. Euro Aussie, not doing much at the moment, but there's a trading opportunity coming here. I'll be doing that, putting that signal in the room later on this afternoon. Pound Canadian, we are up 183 pips or $1,830 if you are one lot. I'm on 40 lots, so you can add up the money. But I hope you enjoyed it. There's lots of trends going on. If you want to become a member for $30 a month, please do. Links below. If you want to get the signals, £50 per month, and members get half price, by the way, as well. 50% off most of the services for members, because I want to be loyal to you guys who are members and who are serious about making a lot of money in Forex trading, oil trading, gold trading, whatever you want to do. I will help you and be your mentor.